Did you know that sloths are among the slowest animals on Earth? They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of Central and South America. Their slow movements help them save energy and avoid predators. Sloths sleep around 10 to 15 hours a day and mainly eat leaves, which take a long time to digest. Surprisingly, they are also excellent swimmers and can move much faster in water than on land. Sloths may be slow, but they are perfectly adapted to their unique rainforest lifestyle.